APR Bright Industries stands as a leading entity in the realm of EOT, electric overhead traveling, cranes, distinguished as manufacturers, suppliers, and exporters. With a rich legacy spanning many years, APR Bright Industries has consistently delivered seamless, high-quality crane solutions, specifically tailored to meet the demanding load handling needs of steel plants. Beyond the initial provision, the company prides itself on offering comprehensive, end-to-end support, encompassing expert repairs, crucial upgrades, and robust annual maintenance contracts (AMCs), to ensure the sustained optimal performance of EOT cranes within industrial environments.